Hello there and welcome to the week ahead preview. So as we enter into a new month, of course, the main data release of the week will be the US non-farm payroll report with the consensus that 200,000 jobs have been created for the month of April. So as always, the US jobs report shall garner specific attention. Bearing in mind we did see the FOMC meeting last week in which they provided no further clarity on whether June is off or on the table in regards to a hike. And as such, just in terms of the jobs numbers, if there was to be a significant beat, this could strongly advocate a case for a hike in June. Aside from that, we shall see a slew of US data releases in the form of the ISM non-manufacturing, manufacturing data, also the balance of trade figures as well. Also, Fed speakers shall crank up a notch. Over to Asia, and focus may yet again fall on China. Bearing in mind we did see the PMI releases over the weekend, with the official PMI coming in slightly softer than expectations at 50.1, expectations were for 50.4. As such, participants will then move on towards looking at the Caixin PMI releases in order to gauge the momentum of the second largest economy. Elsewhere, Asian influences could involve the RBA rate decision. Bearing in mind last week we did see the inflation report relatively soft, the year on year at 1.3%, expectations were for 1.7%, so again heavily below the RBA's target of around 2 to 3%. And as such, futures are pricing in as much as 55% chance of a 25 basis point cut to record low levels of 1.75%, while 12 out of 27 analysts are going for a cut. Also, from Europe's perspective, so we have kicked off to a relatively light start. Bearing in mind we do have UK participants away from market for the bank holiday, and as such also seen a slew of the PMI releases. Other than that, it does look to be a relatively light week for Europe. That's enough for me. Hope you have a fantastic week.